Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of fraction. Okay, in the lecture 4, I have discussed about the addition of fraction. Okay, and today's topic is subtraction of fraction. Page number 101, question number 3. Lecture number 5, HW number 2. Student, look, in the question number 3, there are 10 questions. There are 10 questions, but I have selected here 5 questions. Okay. And dear student, look, all the questions are taken from your book, page number 101, page 101, and 8.8 exercise 2. Now look, question number 3, subtract 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Look student, the addition of fraction and addition of subtraction almost same. But difference is what? In the middle only the sign is different. Here sign is minus, and for the case of addition you put here only the plus. Okay. Now look, let's solve question number 1 at first. Look, you see 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. In the first class I told you 1 is called what? 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Okay, similarly 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Then second step is what? Second step is you have to do the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, look, between 3 and 4 there is no common prime number. Okay, there is no common prime number, or there is no common factor between 3 and 4. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 3 fourths are what? 3 fourths are 12. So LCM is 12. Right here 12. Okay. Now you have to divide 12 by 3. Then you get what? If you divide 12 by 3, then we get what? 4. Now multiply 4 with 1. That means 4 ones are 4 minus. Now similarly divide 12 by this 4. Then you get what? 3. Now 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is equal to what? 4 minus 3 equal to what? 1. 1 by 12, 1 by 12. And this is the answer. Okay student? Now question number 2. You see 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. You see here denominator is 6 and 5. 6 and 5. And between 6 and 5 there is no common prime factor except 1. Okay, but you know 1 is not a prime number. Look, therefore we have to multiply 6 and 5. This is the short process. 6 5s are what? 6 5s are 30. Okay student, 6 5s are 30. Now you have to divide this 30 by 6. Then you get what? 5. Okay student, look, you have to divide 30 by this 6. Then you get what? 5. 5 6 are 30. Now multiply with 5 with 5. 5 with 5. That means what? 25. Right here 25. Minus, minus. Similarly, you divide 30 by 5. Then you get what? 6. Now multiply with 2. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Now subtract. 5 minus 2 equal to what? 3. 2 minus 1 equal to what? 1. And 30 remaining 30. Okay student? So this is our subtraction result. This is our result. Now see question number 6. 9 by 10 and 2 by 5. Okay student, you see between 10 and 5 there are 1 or 2 factor between common factor between 10 and 5 are 1 and 2. Okay, look, see 10 and 5, but we don't consider 1. Okay student, look, now between 2 and 5 is the common factor. 5 is the common factor. If you divide 10 by 5, then you get what? 2. Divide 5 by 5, then you get what? 1. Okay student, now do LCM. LCM is what? 5 into 2. This is equal to what? 10. This is the rough. Student, look, 10 and 5 don't multiply with each other. 10 5s are 50. You think, sir, I will multiply 10 and 5, then you get 50. But this is not actual LCM. Okay, because between 10 and 5 there is a divisor. Okay, and the divisor is 5. Okay, if you divide 10 by 5, then you get 2. Similarly, if you divide 5 by 5, then you get 1. So 10 and 5 and 6 and 5, these are the not same. Okay, you see between 6 and 5 there is no common prime number, but for 10 and 5 there is a common prime number. Okay, and the common prime number is 5. Okay student, I hope you clear. Now the LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. Right here 10. Right here the 10. Now divide this 10 by 10, then you get what? 1. 1 into 9, 9. Minus, similarly divide this 10 by 5. We know 5 to the 10. So now 2 to the 4. Now subtract 9 minus 4 equal to what? 5. Right here 5, 10, 10. Okay student? 9 minus 4 equal to what? 5, 10, 10. Now you see between 5 and 10 there is a common prime number between 5 and 10. Which is the common prime number? 5. Okay, we know also the factor between 5 and 10, also the factor is 5. So divide the numerator by 5, then you get 1. Similarly, divide denominator by 5, then you get what? 2. Therefore the answer is 1 by 2. And this is the answer. Okay student, now see the question number 7. You see denominator is 12 and 4. Denominator is 12 and 4. So we have to do the LCM. Look, 12 and 4. You see both the number are divisible by 2. Right here 2. Then divide 12 by 2, then you get 6. Similarly, divide 4 by 2, then you get what? 2. Now select here 2, then this is divisible by 2, then you get 3. Similarly 1. Look student, why I have select here 2? Because between 12 and 4, 2 is the common factor. So divide 12 by 2, then you get 6. Similarly, divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. Now between 6 and 2, 2 is the common factor. Now divide 6 by 2, then you get 3. Similarly, divide 2 by 2, then you get 1. Now there is no common prime number between 3 and 1. Okay, so we no need to proceed. Now write LCM 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. We need to multiply with 1, because if we multiply with 1, then the value of this result will not change. So no need to multiply. Now 3 to the 6 to the 12, right here 12, and this is the rough. Now write between 12 and 4, LCM is 12. Now similarly divide 12 by 12, then we get 1. 1 into 7 equal to 7 minus divide 12 by 4, then you get what? 3. Now 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now 7 minus 3, this is equal to what? 4. 4 by 12. Look, between 4 and 12, we can divide 4 by 4. We can divide 4 by 4. Similarly, we can divide 12 by 4. That means 4 is the common factor between 4 and 12. So divide 4 by 4, then you get 1. Similarly, divide 12 by 4, then you get 3. So our answer will be 1 by 3. And this is the answer. Okay, student. Now question number 8. See question number 8. You see, this is 15 and this is 6. 15 and 6. So I do the LCM. 15 and 6 right here. Look, you have to select a prime number. You have to select a prime number so that both the number are divisible by that prime number. Okay, that means if you select here 2, then 15 is not divisible, by 6 is divisible. So you have to select here 3. If you divide 15 by 3, then you get 5. Divide 6 by 3, then you get what? 2. Between 15 and 6, 3 is the only common factor. So divide 15 by 3, then you get 5. Similarly, divide 6 by 3, then you get what? 2. Therefore, LCM 3 into 5 into 2. This is equal to what? 3 5s are 15 into 2 is equal to 30. So LCM is 30 right here, 30. Same procedure, divide 30 by 15, then you get 2. Now multiply with 4, then we get 8 minus. Now divide 30 by 6, then you get what? 5. And 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 equal to what? 3. 30. Now see, between 3 and 30, 3 is the only common factor. Okay, so divide 3 by 3, then you get 1, and divide 30 by 3, then you get 10. Therefore 1 by 10, and this is the answer. Student, observe that actually there is no difference between addition and subtraction, only the sign is changed, only the relation. Okay, you see everywhere this is minus, but for the case of addition of fraction, you put here only the plus. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I will talk with you about HW topic. Look, see HW number 2. This question is taken from our book, page number 101. Question number 3. Subtract. Look, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Question number 10. That means 3 is the main question now, and 3 and 10, this is the sub number. Okay. Now 3 means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 10, 9 by 10 minus 5 by 6. Okay, student, this is your HW. Dear student, you have to submit all the HW copies on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. And you back this HW copy on next Saturday. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.